Hey beauties, it's Riri and today's video is my IPSY versus IPSY for October. Alright beauties, before we dive in, please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you do enjoy. And if you're unfamiliar with the OG IPSY Glam bag, this is a $13 monthly beauty subscription where you receive 5 items, typically Try Me travel size items, and we do get 1 full size item and a small makeup bag. Every single month, I like to compare my bag to my mother-in-law's bag. We both have very different profiles, and I just like to see and ask myself the question, is IPSY really listening? I'm going to go into my mother-in-law's bag first. Her profile is that she has light skin, light hair, light eyes. She's semi-comfortable with makeup, but she wants more makeup than skincare. And typically, not gonna lie, her bag is always better than mine. I love the new packaging. I think it's super aesthetic. I think it's super beautiful. I love that it finally matches the boxes. And I loved the bag this month. I did, of course, already receive my PR package. So it is this beautiful, like, maroony red shade. And it's got bats and spider webs. I'm not going to take the tag off of her zipper pull, but it is a bat. I will show you closer to mine. And this month's theme is Glam-O-Ween. Grab your makeup brushes and enter our ultimate Halloween beautyverse, if you dare. This year, we've brewed up something special for you. Tons of makeup tutorials, expert tips, product picks, and hair-raising inspiration to help you conquer Halloween like a pro. Typically the items, okay, yes, the items are inside of our card. So again, this is her bag first. And right on top, there's a really freaking cool pair of tweezers. If she does not want these, I'm going to trade her because y'all know I'm a sucker for green. This is Lovecraft Beauty, and they're lime green. I don't know if it's actually going to pick up on camera how, like, fluorescent these are. And it has a cute little alien on it. I love these. These are so cool. Next up, she has something in bubble wrap. And this is the Reina Rebelde Rosa Blush. I am not going to open this because it is not mine, but I will show you guys on her card. Next up in her bag is, it looks like a full size, whatever it is. It is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lengthening and Volumizing Mascara. That packaging is stunning. And it is incredibly heavy and weighted. I think she's gonna love that. Next is a Vamigas, the Boquita de Rosa, the Rosa Mask Lip Mask. I think she's also gonna really love this. Okay. And last in her bag is the This Works Perfect Legs Body Butter, a mood boosting moisturizer with geranium and sweet orange essence oils. I love this bag, and I think she's gonna absolutely love it too. So she had a lotion, the lip mask, the blush, the mascara, and the tweezers. I'm giving that a 5 out of 5 yellow hearts, y'all. I think that is a banger of a bag. Does she have the same bag as you? Comment down below. And before I even get into my bag, let me know your predictions down below. Is my mother-in-law's bag going to be better than mine again this month? Let's find out. All right, we're going to read up very quickly on her products. She had the This Works Perfect Legs Body Butter. This luxurious butter is enriched with hemp extract to help support your skin's microbiome, hydrating hyaluronic acid, and soothing shea butter to nourish and replenish your skin, infused with the invigorating scents of geranium and sweet orange. And this is a deluxe sample. The full size would be $37. The Reina Rebelde Powder Blush in Rosa. And that is what it would look like. And this says, looking for a blush that gives you that perfectly flushed look? This warm mauve one should do the trick. The velvety smooth formula blends and melts seamlessly into your skin for an effortless wash of color. This is a deluxe sample. The full size would be $23. The Lovecraft Beauty Otherworldly Tweezers. The days of losing your tweezers in your makeup bag are over. These vibrant neon green tweezers make it easy to find them whenever you are in need. Plus, they feature perfectly aligned, sharp, slanted tips that close evenly and firmly, allowing you to effortlessly remove hair. Of course, that is a full-size item for $14. The Vamigas Lip Mask. Get lush, glossy, and kissable soft lips with this nutrient-packed lip mask that enlists the powers of Rosa Mosqueta, or rose hip seed oil to help restore moisture and heal chapped lips. This is a deluxe sample. Full size would be $18. And then the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lash Sculpt Lengthening and Volumizing Mascara. Get ready for extreme volume and dramatic lashes with this mascara. Formulated with the power of biotin, collagen, and peptides. It not only sculpts and lengthens, but also provides nourishment. This is a deluxe sample size. The full size would be $26. I think she got a banger of a bag. She's going to be absolutely thrilled. In my opinion, I think she's going to be anyway. Let me stick her stuff back in her bag. Set that to the side. And then my bag is I have light to medium skin tone, dark eyes, dark hair. I'm very comfortable with makeup, but I prefer getting skincare. So let's see what I have in my bag. I may actually go in and change mine up for a little while. I tend to do that. If I feel like I'm getting a lot of repeat products and stuff, I'll go in and change up my profile just a little bit. So I may do that. And of course we receive the same informational card, the same theming and everything else, the same beautiful bag. I will show you the zipper pull on here. And as you can see, it is a bat. So I think they nailed the bag this month. I think it is very, very pretty. All right, first up, I actually have something big, which is pretty dang cool. This says Lash Step Matte About You 12 Universal Matte Shades that are perfect for every day or night. And it does say they are cruelty-free. And that looks very much like a Makeup by Mario dupe, if you ask me. I feel like I definitely have enough, but I do love this. And if this is a, and if this is a more affordable price point than, say, the Makeup by Mario, then I think that's a great dupe that you could get if you've been eyeing that one. Of course, it goes from very, very light to very, very dark. So I like that. I don't know that I'm going to keep it, but I like it nonetheless. So we have one makeup product so far. Next up is the Saturday Skin Rise and Shine Gentle Cleanser. Next up, I have the Levito, the Alert Eye Cream for all skin types. Next is the Kat Berkey Dual Exfoliating Clay. Again, it's in more of like a travel mini size. And then last up in my bag is also something else in bubble wrap. This is the Luna Magic Powder Highlighter in Tulum. I really like that packaging. I like that you can actually see the product inside and see what shade, and it is a beautiful champagne-y shade. I'm actually going to try some because I don't have any highlight on today. It seems pretty hard pressed, which I actually don't mind because I don't like something that's super powdery that's going to, do a lot at one time. And I like to go in with my highlighter with a very fluffy brush typically, and I do my highlighter before I do my blush. I just feel like it just kind of goes into the skin a little bit more, I guess, naturally, if you will. It sinks into the skin, becomes one with the skin, instead of sitting on top of the skin. Especially if you're somebody like me that you have a lot of texture to the skin. All right, that's pretty. I feel like it's definitely emphasizing a lot of texture here, but we'll continue to try it. So in my bag, I got 2 makeup products and then 3 skincare based products. So I like the bag overall. I think I'm going to give it a 4 yellow hearts out of 5. I still feel like hers is the banger this month. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Let's talk some deets on my bag. The Kat Berkey Dual Exfoliating Clay Mask. Skin acting up? It's time to get physical. This powerful clay mask gently exfoliates and helps renew your skin on a physical level thanks to ingredients like cranberry fibers and hibiscus petals. Plus, ingredients like glycolic acid help resurface your skin chemically, too. This is a deluxe sample, and it is... woo! The full size will be $98. The Saturday Skin Rise and Shine Gentle Cleanser. The first step to soft, radiant skin is cleansing with this nourishing cleanser that helps to wash away dirt and impurities. The silky formula goes on smooth and leaves skin feeling ultra moisturized, never dry, tight, or dehydrated. That is also a deluxe sample, and the full size would be $26. I'm actually really excited about this. I do have very dry, dehydrated skin, so I like a cleanser that's gonna do its job but not dry my skin out and make it kind of feel super tight, so I'm excited about that. Next up was our little highlighter. This is the Luna Magic Highlighter in the shade Tulum. This creamy yet lightweight formula effortlessly glides on your skin, giving you the same radiant glow you see on social media filters. Ideal for fair to medium skin, this highlighter delivers a luminous finish that will enhance your natural beauty and your texture, and help leave you looking flawless. This is a deluxe sample, and the full size is $8. And then we had our Levito product. This is the Levito Alert Eye Cream, enriched with nutrient-dense hydrosol water, plant-based hyaluronic acid, and the nourishing properties of cold-pressed avocado and pomegranate seed oils. This formula provides deep hydration and essential nutrients to your eye area. This is a deluxe sample. The full size would be $49. I will start testing this out when I'm done with my Dr. Brandt, which I probably have 2 more uses left in that, so I will update you guys on that product. And then last up, this feels super heavy too. This is the Lash Step Matte About You palette. If this isn't the most essential matte eyeshadow palette, we don't know what is. With 12 universal shades ranging from milky white to a jet black, you'll have everything you need to spice up your eyes. And this is a full-size palette at $45. I'm not sure how much the Mario one is, so I don't know if this is so much cheaper than that one. Let me know if you guys maybe want to see a look on this. If you're new here, I really tried to not be wasteful. Anything I know off the bat during an unboxing, whether it's PR, whether I pay for it, if I know I'm not going to use it, I toss it in giveaways, I toss it in my for sale group, stuff like that. But if you guys want to see this in action, please comment down below and let me know, and I will go from there. So both bags I think were great. Are any of us bag twins? Comment down below. Let's have that conversation. Thank you for joining me, beauties. I love you. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.